There are leaders who inspire, leaders who persuade, and leaders who enlighten. There are courageous leaders, exalted leaders, and even heroic leaders. Then there is Tom Bell. Tom Bell, who has redefined what we call a leader. By any measure, Tom Bell has had a successful career. An astute strategist, he helped others to govern. A brilliant tactician, he conquered politics. Then, with characteristic poise, he set his sights on the business world.
My first impression of Tom Bell was he was very focused. I misjudged his quiet nature for the quiet storm that's underneath that thinking machine all the time. Very strategic, very analytical.
Tom is the only Renaissance man I've ever known. He has reinvented himself in his career 10 or 15 times. Well, I don't think anybody understands the depth of Tom's experience background because it's almost unthinkable that anybody could do that many things and not be 110 years old.
2007 was a watershed year for Atlanta and for the Grady community.
There's no such thing as an urban environment without a level 1 trauma center. It has economic impact, not just healthcare impact. Tom recognized that without Grady, a large segment of the population would not have health care, but an even greater impact to the city would be recognized and would be adverse.
Other regional hospitals would buckle under the strain of handling Grady's patients. The state would lose its only poison control center, one of only 2 burn units, and the largest HIV/AIDS clinic in the state, and one of the largest and most comprehensive in the country. A bold solution was needed, and Tom Bell had an idea.
Well, we met one night for drinks. We do that about every couple or 3 weeks to solve the problems of the world. We raised the issue of Grady. He saw all the numbers, and so he knew how serious it was. And so together we decided that somebody needed to do something about it, and we had another drink or two and finally concluded, well, it would be us.
Tom Bell not only rescued a hospital and a community, he pushed us forward.
Tom has incredible credibility in this market, in Atlanta and across the country. A very broad network across the city that he could reach and say, we have a challenge, let's step up to that challenge. He was willing to bring his time, talent, and treasure to the party, and he asked others to do likewise while he stood as the example.
Tom is comfortable leading in a most unusual way. He leads from within. Whether it's a ship of state or the state of our healthcare, Tom Bell is there to see to it that we find our way. He is a man who looks into each of us and finds the courage we couldn't see in ourselves. He's been called abrupt, remote, even aloof, and sometimes worse. But scratch the hard enameled surface and you see the glimmer of pride in his community, the glow of commitment to his colleagues, and the warmth of love for his family and friends. He is a reluctant hero who knows how to bring out the best in people. He challenges us to be the best we can be, then to be better than that. Atlanta can't live without Grady. Grady can't live without you.